This is Ping Uzbekistani with Channel 4 True Witness News. Today we are looking at the story of the lost egg, the final egg remaining on Earth. Currently right now the countries of Avestan and Unistan are sending their top spies to look for this egg, because from this egg will be birthed a poached egg made in the microwave. The lost egg! It's mine! Crikey, it's done! So, there you have it, quick and easy. Anyway, this is Ping Uzbekistani, Channel 4 True Witness News, signing out. Also, we just got a call that says ZapEatRepeat would like you to subscribe to their channel, like this video, and comment below for more recipe ideas. Tell us what you like.